Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Let's talk about Google Search Console.
What is Google Search Console? Google Search Console, a free tool for you by Google that helps you to maintain, monitor, and troubleshoot your website on Google search results. Google Search Console helps you to track the performance of your website by providing data and reports on whether or not Google can find and crawl on your website, indexing issues and actions needed to be taken to re-index over fixing these issues. Your website's traffic data, how often your site shows on Google Search, which search queries show on your site, how often users are clicking through your site, etc. Google Search Console gives you a simple way to monitor your site success through Google, letting you maintain and enhance it with more clarity and control. Google Search Console versus Google Analytics. So then, what's the difference between Google Search Console and Google Analytics? Which one is better? Well, let's take a closer look. Google Analytics. Like Google Search Console's, Google Analytics gives you a way to see how your website is doing from an analytical standpoint, and it deep dives into the numbers of your website. Specifically, Google Analytics lets you see things like bounce rate, how long people spend on your website on average, total visits to your site, and your visitor demographics. Google Analytics also offers AdSense and AdWords integration. All of these gives you a sense of how your site is doing number-wise. All of this data can be interpreted and used to target on your brands to specific demographics, increase your traffic, and find out what's working and what's not working. However, Google Analytics doesn't offer in a way to in-depth analytics. Google Search Console. On the other hand, Google Search Console lets you see how good your website is going on the Google search results. With Google Search Console, you can see things like your site's click-through rates, HTML errors, search queries outside web links, and crawl errors, to name just few things. This doesn't tell you much about who's visiting your site and for how long. Like Google Analytics, instead, it highlights how your site shows up on Google and how much prominence is put on it, making it a superb tool for SEO. You can use Google Search Console to track impressions and Google Analytics to track clicks. So, let's explore which one is better, Google Search Console or Google Analytics. There isn't a better option here. Both tools offer specific ways to view your site's success with usable, accurate data, and when used together, you will be able to gauge the full scope of your site's success, and using both is often the best strategy forward. Compare metrics from both and you're gonna get full view of how your site is going, both clicks-wise and impression-wise. Compare the metric from both and you will have a full view of your site. How to use Google Search Console for SEO. Google Search Console is really easy to use, whatever you are, a web novice or a trained professional. No issues to get started. 1. To start, you will need to create an account. Then, from Google Search Console homepage, log into your Search Console account. 2. Then click on the 3 lines on top left corner of the page drop-down menu and click Add Property. Then, enter URL of your website and continue. Here you will enter your URL without anything.
You have few options for verification. You can verify using an HTML file upload, an HTML tag, or a domain name provider, or a Google Tag Manager account. Pick your preferred method, follow the directions, and gain access to the tool. Click Recommended Method for the simplest method, which involves signing in with your Google Analytics account. By connection Search Console through Google Analytics, you can access both tools from the Analytics console. Using Search Console for SEO. Now for the exciting part, use Google Search Console to boost your SEO strategy. View your website keywords. This page shows you every single keyword your site shows up under on Google search. It shows you how many people have seen your page through these keywords and how many clicks each is getting. You can view the popularity of your keywords by specific pages on your site, between the devices, and by the country. Once you have signed into your Google Search Console account, find your properties or your website. On the left-hand panel, click on the website you want to see. Visit the Performance tab. The highlights of this page are your keywords. For queries, just click Performance and scroll down to check it out. In this page, you can see what keywords are working and give you some insights into keywords you might want to add. Okay guys, so in this class I have teach you a lot of things regarding Google Search Console. This is all for today's class. I will launch part 2 of this video very soon. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see the second part of the video, please like and subscribe this channel for these kind of videos, updates regarding technical support and technical issues. You can also comment me in the comment box in the comment section. If you have any problem regarding anything, you can comment, and after that I'll make a video for you. Hope you enjoyed the video and learned from it. See you next time. Goodbye.